And we're live. Good. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everyone. Hope you're all doing well. Today, thought to myself, let's try a live stream. I'm going to try to create a website by using AI. Isn't that cool? So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create me a website. Let's get started by greeting it. Hi. Working? Come on. Hi. Hello. Can you create me, if I can type create correctly, a website? Also, it's going to be extremely short live stream because I have to go. So I'd be happy to create. Come on, come on, come on. You have a few options. Don't give me options. Create me. Can you write me the code for a simple home page? Okay, it's getting started. I'm also going to use code sandbox to create this. I'm just going to copy and paste the code. It should automatically work. Okay, so let's get started with this. Let's open up an HTML page. Delete this because this is not what AI told me to do. And let's see. This is a static template. Save. Okay, just created me a page. Okay, so can you create a, because I have now three links. So I have a navigation. No, can you create me a navigation bar for this web page? Let's see. Okay, nav URL number home about blog content. Okay, so I'm going to replace this. Thank you, sir. Copy this and replace it right here. You can see we're going to become irrelevant. We the coders. Hey, wait, what are you doing? You can add this code to your website by placing inside a body tag and whatever. Wow, so I hope this was helpful. Yes, it was. Thank you for reminding me that I can add it to my body. So what else? What else? That's just my coffee machine. It's created coffee without AI. Using my hands and coffee and water and a machine. Still a machine. Did you know that webcams were created by some students wanted to see if the coffee is ready in the other room? We nerds are just amazing. Okay, so we have a navigation. Now let's ask it if it can create a about page. Can you, come on boy, can you create a about page for this website? Come on. Page, okay, it's creating the page. So will it actually tell me that I need to create another page and link it together? Because right here, as you can see, it links to nothing as an href. So it would be interesting what would happen. Wait just a second, I would have to. Okay, so it did tell me to link it up. But it didn't tell me to blah 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 the page. I'm just going to create a new file. No problem. Let's create a new file. We're going to call this about.html. Going to copy the code in here. Oops, copy the wrong thing. Wait a second, my daughter is calling. Okay, so created the page. Let's link it up. I'm just going to copy this part and paste it back in our HTML. So about. Let's see, is this working? Wait, about. And I save it. Yeah, and also forgot the forward slash. You AI, you don't know how to code. Just trying to trick me. So we got our index, we got our about. What else? What else? Let's try a contact. Can you create a contact page for this website? It's doing a pretty good job until now. So if you actually know what to do, then let's just say it could rival with Copilot, with GitHub Copilot. Hey, thank you, Aziv. Merry Christmas to you too. Okay, let's create a new file. Going to copy the code. Boom. And add it here. Contact. HTML. Paste the code in here. Boom. It's telling me to update the navigation. Yes, but you forgot your forward slash, dude. Copy, paste it here, but with a forward slash. Okay, so we are on our home page. Let's click on contact. Yay! Now let's get tricky. Let's say, can you please style the contact page for me? Let's see what it does now. Sure, here's some CSS. Body, color. Okay. Contact page. So where do I put this CSS? If I would be a complete beginner, if I wouldn't have created any website in my entire life, it should tell me, sure, you should create now a CSS file, a style. You should name your file something like style and so far and so on. Let's see if it tells me down here. This goes down the page with a clean, more, okay, it sets for font Arial, sets margin, blah, 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 blah. Wait. Okay, now it tells me. Alternatively, CSS, you can try directing your header. Whoa, going too far there, buddy. But hey, excellent. Okay, so let's copy this link. Did it tell me to create a file? Size, blah, 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 blah. I can't see it anywhere that it told me that I should create a file, first of all. But we know that we should create a file. Also, wait just a second. By the style, you should copy the content page, exactly, because not not in the index. So head, let's copy this in. Let's create a CSS file. I'm going to call it contact.style.css. Now let's copy in the code. Okay, so if I go to the contact page, boop. Oh yeah, I changed the name, then I also need to change it here. So contact style.css. Now let's try this again. Oh, it didn't apply. Contact style, CSS, contact style, CSS. Dude. You know what? I'm going to use camel case here. Style. Let's change this. Honestly, this is the second time I use Codebox, and I'm not impressed. Contact. Oops. Why didn't anybody tell me? I did not copy it into contact. There we go. Now let's try it. What the damn hell? Contact style, about, contact, home, contact. Damn it. Contact. Come on. So strange. Can I link it up? There's my contact. Hello, chat. Please help. Can we just slides when we scroll? Dudes, I'm going to come back to this. I don't have that much time. I just wanted to try it. I wanted to try it live so you have my reaction. I'm messing up something here. What the hell am I messing up? So body font, blah, 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 blah. This is the style. Okay, I misspelled it. Contact. Yo. Now I should work it. Yes, and it styled it for me. Yeah, so as you can see, it does do something. It does create some sort of a website for you, but you still need to have a bit of a background knowledge. So it's not just copy and pasting it, copying and pasting in things. Well, hey, let's do something interesting. Can you create a hamburger? No, wait. I want to tell it that it should create me a navigation with a hamburger menu, hamburger icon that should then open and close the icon. So create me a hamburger icon for the navigation. We need to get specific here. Navigation that will toggle the navigation bar. Oh, you know what? I'm going to cut this out. I have an idea. Can you make my website responsive on not cake. Make my website responsive. Can type on tablet and phone format. Let's see what it does now. Sure, make your website responsive. Blah 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 blah. Give me the code, dude. Responsive layout. Responsive layout. It won't write me the code. Responsive is designed. Pum pum. Well, it is getting extremely specific, but it doesn't write me any kind of code. So can you write me the code for it? So here's the HTML CSS code for creating a recipe. Okay. So it doesn't refer now to this specific, does it? Sort of. It sort of refers to the. He's adding a footer now. Well, basically, it had the main content area, the footer. Okay, now, come on. Whoa. Dude, it's tagging. What? Did I ask the question wrong? First of all, check if the problem it is between the keyboard and and my what it is. What is it doing? Wow, that's not font. Okay, forget about it. Let's try our can you create a navigation bar? Okay, so can you create a hamburger icon for the navigation that will toggle the navigation bar to open and close on a window width under 400. Oh, 400 pixels, because this is let's see. Oops, misspelled width. Damn it. Damn you, fingers and brain. So, div class hamburger line. What line? Class line. Oh, okay. So it's creating. Uh huh. So I'm going to replace. Let's do it in here. Let's replace the UL. Let's replace the anchor text. Dude. Yeah. Didn't give me any kind of CSS. Didn't give me any kind of. Can you write the CSS and JS for it? Itty. Okay, now it's doing something. So, you should go up here. Okay, we got ourselves nothing because we're missing the CSS. Let's create another file. Main.css. Copy in the code here. Save it. Link up the main.css file, and let's also create the JavaScript file. Nav.js file. Let's also link it up for the body text script. Source main.js. Let's see what. No, what am I doing? Are we getting irrelevant, ladies and gentlemen? Are we getting irrelevant? Hey, you didn't finish the code, you bastard. Let's tell it. You didn't finish the JS code. You there. He apologizes. It apologizes, not a he. Come on, it's hamburger. Bam. Okay, nav, toggle. Okay, back in our index. What are you doing? Let's go back to our index. It's hamburger menu. Let me just. Toggle. Okay, there it is. This is extremely small. So I don't see any kind of hamburger menu. You see anything? There's something here. Not doing anything. So let's see what kind of CSS did it create. Nav, where are those lines? Nav links. What? Nav links. Wait. There's nav links. Okay, so all of these are nav links. Class lines. Did it do something with the lines? Nope. We did a couple of lines and didn't do anything with it. So maybe I'm asking the wrong questions. Maybe I don't. But for now, we are the greatest. We, the coders, we, the web developers. AI can go and, you know what? But it was an interesting test. You're going to do some more testing with it. Maybe learning from me is going to, maybe I'm going to give it a course, a HTML CSS course to learn some coding. I'm so arrogant right now. So sorry. Okay, forget about it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to stop the stream right here. I still have a lot of things to do. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a lovely day. This is actually the Christmas day, so have a lovely Christmas, everyone. Catch you next time. Bye-bye.